Jhana are those practices that calm the conscious mind. You know, our first enemy here is the conscious mind. And it doesn't really allow us to go deep within, so we need to keep it calm. And the conscious mind, what does it do? All these external things that we are doing, thinking, acting during the day, when we close our eyes, they go to the subconscious and keep the subconscious very active. So if we calm down the conscious, nothing will go to the subconscious. So when we close our eyes, we can really start going deep. So those are the points of jhana, or the practices of jhana. And jhana refers to something external to us, is whatever we are doing during the day that relates to something outside, some entity outside. It's the external expressions of our mind. We saw one point last time, we'll see another one today. Oh, we already saw 2 points, actually, the first class and second class. This is the third one, is called Asteya in Sanskrit. It means not to take anything from others without their permission, or not to steal anything. If we are thinking how I can get that thing that belongs to that person and becomes mine, it means my object of ideation will be that object. And I can't meditate. When I close my eyes to meditate, I will be seeing that all the time. And if I do take the thing, then I have to think how to hide it, how to avoid it, that I get discovered. It creates a whole universe of vibrations in the mind, and one cannot meditate. So Asteya is very important. Plus, it will create harmony in the society. If Asteya is followed by everybody, society will be much different. So it's a very important point. We start from ourselves, and then it should catch and spread to other people. This is a very important point. We have to think that we are doing it for our benefit and for social benefit also. The best is if you don't even have the desire to get something from others. You don't have to fight it. Oh, I want it. No, it's not right. I shouldn't do that, like that. So it's even not having the desire is like you are really establishing the Asteya. But fighting against it, you are practicing it. So let's practice it consciously. It means whenever I'm interacting with anybody, I should be conscious what is their right, what is my right, what belongs to them, what belongs to me. And this point is very subtle also. For example, you can think that parents should give time to their children. And that is the right of the children to get time from the parents. If the parents are doing other things instead of giving time to the children, they are preventing the children from their right. Therefore, they are stealing that time from the children, and so that's against Asteya. So you see, it's not so black and white that this not stealing means I'm not taking this physical object, because today human beings are very much psychic. So we have to be very attentive to the psychic level besides just the physical level.